Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all of you back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you are doing well and staying safe and healthy. And welcome to the 500th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Woohoo! Well, to celebrate my 500th episode, I'm going to share with all of you a classic cookie for the holidays. We're going to make shortbread cookies, aka shortbread biscuits. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part, only 6 ingredients. If y'all a fan of shortbread, y'all gonna love these cookies. And Santa Claus will enjoy these when he comes down the chimney. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my holiday treats recipes playlist and my previous video, Red Velvet Snowball Cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your powdered sugar, your flour, and your butter sugar, because we're about to bake some shortbread cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in a half a cup of powdered sugar and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to continue mixing until they're well combined. Alright, my friends, over here in my bowl, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And with the mixer on low, we're going to slowly add it in. And mix it until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, this is what the dough looked like. Nice and crumbly. That looks great. So now I have placed the dough onto a flour surface. Going to knead it a few times. Alright, my friends, I'm through forming my dough. So now I have placed it onto some plastic wrap. And we're going to cover it and let it chill for 1 hour until it's firm. Alright, my friends, our dough is nice and firm. That looks great. So off camera, I removed it from the plastic wrap. And I'm going to flatten it a little bit. Alright, that's good. So we're going to use my glass. We're just going to cut them down. Don't twist it. Just like that. Now we're going to place them onto my 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my shortbreads together. Now time for the final step. We're going to take a fork and we're going to prick some ridges like a peanut butter cookie. We're going to or you can use a toothpick. And if it breaks on you, you can always flatten it. Flatten it up together. Alright, now ready to put our shortbreads in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350 degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my shortbread out of the oven. It smells heavenly. So now we're going to let them cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll put them onto my cookie platter, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Classic shortbread cookies. Don't they look good? And also, you could dip them in chocolate, or you could add sprinkles on top. But I'm just keeping mine plain. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. Have a bite. Buttery. And I like that crunch, but not too crunchy. And it's pillowy on top. These screams Christmas. These shortbreads are divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Shortbread cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.